Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can use Claude to help you search for job applications and job postings in the most efficient way possible. So open up your Claude account and we're going to want to link our Indeed account with our Claude account. And we can do so using the connectors feature built into Claude. So to find this, simply go to the Customize tab, which you can find on the left-hand side of your screen right here. Go to connectors and then click on add connector here at the top. So you're going to be able to see a list or a catalog of applications and platforms that you might be interested in linking with your Claude account. So simply click on the search bar and type in Indeed. And as you can see, I've already added it to my account. When you click on the plus button right here, where the settings button currently is, it's going to ask you to sign into your Indeed account. Or once that's done and linked, you can go ahead and click on new chat. And now,
Hey guys, quick one before we continue. My team and I publish AI tutorials regularly, helping you guys to learn and to use the latest AI tutorials. And so if you're finding these videos helpful, go ahead and hit that subscribe button below so that you'll never miss out when we release future videos to come. Now let's continue.
and now whenever you would like to pull information from the Indeed platform, simply include it or specify it in your Claude prompt. So let's say, for example, find me the best work from home opportunities on the Indeed platform, matching your resume on my profile. List between 1, 2, 3. So if I go ahead and send this prompt, you're going to be able to see Claude AI pull information from my Indeed profile. As you can see here, it's got in my resume, and it's going to automatically search for the best jobs that fit the criteria that I gave it. So depending on what you're looking for, you can also tailor this prompt, make it a bit more specific, and start listing what you would like to see in the job posts. So as you can see here, it's given me 3 of the best matches it has found based on my profile and the work from home opportunity that I specified. So here we go. You can also extend the functionality of Claude. You can also have it help tailored covered letters, as you can see here, and automatically send applications on your behalf. So it's really, really great and can really help streamline your application process greatly. So feel free to experiment with some other prompts that you might think of. And basically, rule of thumb is your imagination is the limit. But that's going to be it for this video. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.